it's May 16th. And we found out that we are going to have a project coming to the shop, i.e. our house, very soon. So I have decided to do a huge cleanup. Cory is doubling down on the camper so we can get this refrigerator out of here because we've got actually paying gig that's coming in. We found out our client will be visiting our house and taking dock photos, and I haven't even let anyone in my house because it's so filthy. So I've been working on that. Cory is busting his ass out here so that we can at least get the refrigerator out of the house before we have a client come into our house and wonder why we have a refrigerator in our foyer.
And combating yellow flies, I've killed probably 10 of them this morning already.
They are evil.
Yeah, I think after the rain last week, they're all coming out.
Okay, so you can tell that this is not the camper. That light was in one of the closets. We have installed it. The light that was there, we moved, and we installed this light in the kitchen. This gets some of the stuff out of some of the closets so that I can continue to clean the house. And since I had the ladder in here, dusting from ceiling to floor, it was a good time to change out these lights. I was taking all of the covers off, dead bugs that were in them. I had major cleaning that I needed to do. I took down everything off of the shelves and the plant shelves and cleaned all of that. So that's what I've been doing for the last 2 days. And I mean, I am sore, up and down ladders, cleaning the air conditioning vents, because if we're gonna have clients in the house, I've been letting the house go because of the camper. So really, really needed to focus, and I've got a week to clean this thing like spring cleaning on high alert. Now, while I have been cleaning the house so that we can bring clients in, Cory has been working full stop out here. We're hoping that before the delivery is made on my birthday, May 27th, that before that delivery is made, we will have at least the refrigerator out here and some of the other stuff, because we're going to have a project in the house from one of our clients. They want to do some documentation filming. I've been too embarrassed to have anybody even in my house, much less a client who's going to be doing documentation filming. All right, Cory, so what have you been working on the last 2 days?
Lots of different things, but the primary stuff has been getting the tub put in place, all the plumbing, getting the support carriage, I don't know what you want to call it, just the support structure underneath it, getting all that built back up to grade so it slopes and drains correctly. And I think we got it aligned, got it set in place. All the drain is attached and put in, but it's not screwed into place because we still have drying in to do for the walls. Got the toilet more or less in place. The seal ring, I was going to call it the wax ring, but it's not wax. So the seal ring isn't put in, but at least the mounting base and everything is put into place now.
Cool.
So we kind of have an idea of where those are and where walls need to go around.
Cool.
That stuff, because that was things we wanted to move but found out we couldn't. And then right now, today, I'm working on at least getting the bunk together, getting this wall together so we can also get the refrigerator out here. Yeah, and so we're just getting an idea of clearances and sizes and things, because all of that's getting changed from what was there before.
Yay! I guess that's it.
I guess that's it.
Always an adventure?
Always an adventure.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.